Hi.
Hi.
What did you do today?
Swimming.
Let me see how you swim.
Like that.
Where's your big arm reaches?
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing your backstroke?
Yeah.
Is it hard? Did you get to jump in today?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Is it hard to breathe underwater?
Yeah. It sure is.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
Come on, we can. How about you sing a song?
Okay, sing a song.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you stay with me?
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. That was a nice song.
Uh-huh.